Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel, bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing a eyeshadow tutorial. I already primed my eyes, I already did my eyebrows, and I also completed my whole face. So we're just going to be focusing on the eyes. I'm going to be using this palette right here, and this is Illamasque. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm pretty sure, let me put it right here so you guys can see. I'm pretty sure it says Illamasque. So we're going to be playing with this eyeshadow. When I open it up, it looks just like this. Super stunning, stunning colors. Is a lot of neutrals and warm color. So we're going to begin with this eye tutorial. So I'm going to be grabbing my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, and this is the JH32. It's like a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. This palette doesn't have any name, but I'm just going to show you what color I'm going to be using, and if you guys have these colors in your other makeup eyeshadow palette, then grab that color. And I'm going to grab my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put it all this around my lid, and I'm going to do circular motion. Oh, that's pretty. That's like an orangey brown color. Actually, I'm going to put this all over my lid. I'm going to put this all over. Just like that. And do the other eye. We're going to do a simple, easy look that you guys can wear and still look fierce and sexy. If you're trying to go on that dinner date, you know what I mean, or hang out with your friends or your significant other, but you still want to look hot and sexy. Just like that. It's giving me orangey brown vibes, and I am feeling this. I'm going to be placing this brown color right in the outer corner. I'm going to use another brush. I'm going to be using this brush right here. It's just a smaller fluffy brush. It's like the other brush that I used, but a little bit smaller. And I'm going to use that brown and focus it in the outer corner. And then bringing it in a little bit. And then do the other eye. And then I'm going to grab that brown that I used before and just blend everything out. Tell you guys, this is simple and easy to do, and I'm starting to get into, like I said, like the neutral and the brown and the soft colors. Like, I don't know what it is, but I'm like, it's giving me grown vibes, and I am feeling that completely. Beautiful. Blend everything in. I'm loving it. Super cute. And it's simple, guys. Easy. That's what we're going for. Easy, simple look. And we're going to keep this as easy and as simple as possible. So I'm going to look at these colors, and I am liking all these shimmer colors all right here. So I'm going to place this shimmer right here. It's like a golden shimmer, this one right here, and I'm just going to place it on my lid. I didn't spray it, so that's how it looked without the spray. And then I'll just blend that in. And guys, this is literally taking me like 10 minutes to do. You see that? Look how gorgeous that is. Just using my finger and that gold, the pop of gold just bring it out. I'm telling you guys, makeup is so easy. You just have to have fun with it. Because I'm literally using my finger. And I didn't even spray it. I didn't even do anything like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this other golden brown color. I'm going to place it in the center of the lid. And then grab that brown color again and just darken that up on the side. Alright guys, and voila. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wing my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Epic Ink Liner from NYX, and I'm just going to wing it. Voila guys, when I say I'm impressed by doing this like makeup look and how easy it is, like literally I use 2 brushes and I just smoked it out, used my finger with the gold, and it looks so beautiful. And I'm just like really loving how easy makeup can be. Like makeup is not hard at all. You just have to work the brush and play with your look. Like that is gorgeous, and it literally took me like, I'm gonna say 10 minutes just to do the eyes, and that's it. So I like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop in some lashes. So where's my lash glue? I love this lash glue, Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm loving this. I never show you guys how to put my lashes, but if you guys want to see, I mean, I know it's super boring to just put lashes on here, but if you guys want to see how I do it, I mean, why not just put it on and show you guys? So I usually use these babies right here, super beautiful. It's a whole bunch of lashes, and I got this off of Amazon, and I always buy lashes from Amazon because it's super affordable, and the lashes, how it looks is amazing. Like I never had any issues with Amazon lashes. So if you guys are into lashes, or if you guys are practicing how to do lashes, if I was you, I would just start purchasing it on Amazon because they're cheaper and they're easy to put on. Also, you guys can start practicing how to perfect your lashes, so why not buy a whole case of this and just practice. So I gotta measure if this is good for my lid. Yeah, that looks good. I usually cut 2 with this lashes. I usually cut 2 of the lash, and I'm gonna put glue to let that dry up. But I am so impressed by this. I'm telling you guys, this makeup look is so pretty. I'm actually going out today. Today is Friday, and I'm probably going out to eat with my hubby. So I say, why not just show you guys a beautiful, easy makeup look on here. I gotta find the same pair of that way. Put this one back, cut this up. And what I also bought on Amazon is this fan right here. I'm loving this fan. You can like charge it up with the charger and you just dry up the lashes, and it makes the process so much faster. I'm going to do underneath my eyes. So I'm going to use this pencil brush right here, and this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and this is JH39. And I'm going to keep this simple. I'm just going to use the brown and just put it underneath the eyes. Just like that. I love that. And I'm not gonna do no black on my waterline. What I'm gonna use is a nude color just to open up my eyes. So I'm going to be using the Extreme Lasting, and this is from Essence, and this is like a nude color, and this will open up my eye. Alright, so lashes is already dry, and I'm just going to place this on my lid. And make sure that your lashes are super tacky, because it's easier to place on your lash line. Because if your lashes are wet, forget it, you cannot put those babies in. So I'm going to be using my ColourPop lipstick, and it's like a brownish color with a tint of red. And it's giving me orangey reddish vibe. We're going to be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray, 16 hour, and I'm just going to spray. And there you go, guys. This was a simple, easy makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this easy eyeshadow. Only 10 minutes eyeshadow, but this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, adios.